Today we have reviewed two books. First book name is जलों का उच्चारण एवं रक्तमोक्षण. This book published by Sakshi Publishing House Jaipur, and the author of this book is Dr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor and HOD of Salyatantra, University College of Ayurveda, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Rajasthan Ayurveda University, Jodhpur. So when we go across this book, we find that author want to teach basic fundamentals of leech therapy in a simple manner and describe an advanced management of leech therapy. According to the book, Raktmokshan is a parasurgical method of treatment used in the traditional Indian medicine system of Ayurveda. This therapy is used for the treatment of many chronic and life-threatening abnormalities such as cardiovascular problems, cancer and infectious disease. Now we have going to review second book. That title name is Agni Karm Chikitsa, Cauterization in Surgical Practices. This book published by Ayurveda Sanskrit Hindi Pustak Bhandar Jaipur, and the author of this book is also Dr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Salyatantra, University College of Ayurveda, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Rajasthan Ayurveda University, Jodhpur. In this book, the author well describe about Agni Karma according to the Ayurveda and coordinate with modern science. Agni Karma is a superior parasurgical procedure. This procedure aims to manage of various affliction by inflicting burns on the affected tissue surface directly by different tools known as Dhanu Upkarana. According to the book, Agni Karma is very useful for curing ailments such as sprain, heel pain, headache, sciatica and arthritis. This treatment is usually done for 2 to 3 minutes. The author is used his theoretical and practical experience with live images of treatment in both books. He used a simple and meaningful language to take the reader into higher level of understanding. This is the summarized knowledge of leech therapy and Agni Karma. It is very useful for the practitioner, BMS doctor, UG students, PG scholar and also PhD scholar. Thank you.